Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO IQOO 5 Pro, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and now we have to find biometrics and security. In the biometrics, let's tap on add fingerprint, and as you can see I have to enter my current screen lock. If you do not have one set, then you will have to do it right now. It is quite important, because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with the backup pattern, PIN or password. So just follow the instructions and add the screen lock. So let me enter the my screen lock, and here we've got the tip. After, of course, adding the screen lock, you will be transferred to this step. So just follow the instructions. And here, as you can see, as I said, here we've got the tip that if your device has the screen protector, then it may affect the fingerprint sensor as it is placed under, let's say, under the screen. So be aware about that, and just tap on OK. And as I said, right here we've got the screen sensor, so let me put my finger on it. And right now we have to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully, and try to catch every corner for better recognition. So just change the position of the finger. And it's quite easy in this device, as you can see. Also we've got the fingerprint added. It was quite fast. We can add another. If not, just tap on done. If you want to add the face unlock, just tap on enroll. I don't want to do it. So here we've got the fingerprint settings. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can remove it just by tapping on the trash bin icon, or rename it and just tap on it. And here we can enter the number. The name, not number. Here you can add the fingerprint. Now you can decide for what you want to use the fingerprint for. So as you can see, you can pick the screen lock, which is defaultly active, but also for the app lock or private safe. Here we've got the fingerprint animation. Also, as you can see, we've got 8 different options from which we can choose. So just tap on the particular one, and you can hear also the sound feedback, and you can decide which one you like the most. So I will pick this one. Now let's go back, and here you've got also the screen of unlock, which simply means that if you've got the screen lock, the screen off actually, that the fingerprint icon will be displayed. So let me leave it like this. Enough of talking, let's check if it is working. So let me lock the device, and as you can see, this is the sensor about which I've just told you. So let me put my finger on it, and the device is unblocked, which simply means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. So actually this is it. This is how to add the fingerprint in your VIVO IQOO 5 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.